This is a GTW465ASN9WW washing machine. The problem with this unit, the bolt was cut inside, so now the agitator already come out. Now I'm going to use the hand tap to retrieve this shafting. To retread it back and forth, because once you thread it continuously, it might break your hand tap. Back and forth. Hi. Now I'm going to show you how to separate a two-piece agitator, G agitator. So let's proceed. Yeah, on this side there's a hole. You need to align it, the one inside. Okay, try to be careful. So I can find the hole inside. There. You need to poke it with a screwdriver and then hold the bottom tight. You can ask somebody to hold, or you can just stop it by your feet and then turn it clockwise. Yeah. There. Now already come out that to one. And the bolt that was broken. Okay. We can change already the bolt with the stainless so it won't break. Okay, so we install the agitator. Install first the base agitator. Align it with the shaft, and then we put the screw, 1/4 size. Oh, I think I need long nose. Okay. Install the screw. Then use the 7/16 socket. Okay. Tighten the screw. Okay, then tighten. Check for loosening. Check for the clearance, and then install the top of the agitator. Okay, so that's it.